Hello, I'm John Barboza, and I, along with Chris Adshade, will be presenting a 2-hour workshop titled A Variety of Hypnosis Inductions, course number 12093 at the 2025 Annual National Guild of Hypnotists Convention and Educational Conference on Friday, August 8th, from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. You'll get to experience several types of inductions for demonstrations, presentations, and the office setting. You'll get to experience a couple of progressive muscle relaxation inductions, which you'll be able to use with your clients with the handouts you'll be receiving. And if you're interested in seeing, learning, and practicing some instant and rapid speed inductions, come join us as we celebrate the Guild's 75th anniversary at the Royal Plaza Hotel and Conference Center in Marlborough, Massachusetts on August 8, 9, and 10.